This is the Castle Tales die set from Spellbinders. There are 9 dies in the set, and it makes an adorable castle, which is perfect as an embellishment on the front of a card. The die pieces from this set are fairly small, so it's a great way to use up a bunch of cardstock scraps. It's really easy to put together. I like to use some liquid glue just to make sure that I can shimmy and move things in place. In the window openings, I put some scrap cardstock behind them just to make sure that they were colored and not just blank. When putting them together, I like to use the liquid glue so that I can shimmy everything in place. And often with the really tiny pieces, I like to use some reverse tweezers so that I can easily hold those pieces and not have my fingers in the way for the glue. I put an acrylic block over pieces while they're drying, and that just helps keep everything flat and keep my hands free for other things. I find it easiest to assemble this off my card and then add the entire piece of the card, but you could assemble it right on your card if you wanted it to. For the railing and the flags, I like to use some metallic cardstock just for a little bit of extra shine. I also added a little bit of stickles to the top turrets for some sparkle. This castle is perfect for fairy tale themed cards and would also be a good embellishment on a scrapbook page or a mixed media project. It goes really well with the fairy tale carriage that's in the same collection, and I used it to create a trifold card with those 2 dies, and I love the look of it. Here I put it in the center of the card, and then I put the carriage on the front, and it just works perfectly together. This is just a fantastic die set and so much fun to create with.